Okay, so welcome to day 15. I'm pretty sure it's day 15. If not, I'll figure out how to correct this. Day 15 of the new YouTube channel. Boy, that's a mouthful. Um, so I'm going through this wellness course that I'm taking, and I made good progress today on that, and actually learned a lot. And one of the things that they had us doing was cleaning off our desk and cleaning up some clutter. So I got rid of some of that stuff today. I had a few personal appointments, and I made a lot of good progress on that course. And so yeah, that was basically my day today. Pretty much uneventful, but learning a lot and continuing to press on and do what I got to do to take myself to the next level. So that's basically all I have. I don't have too much to talk about today. Um, I well, maybe I will say this, that I am inspired that one of the things that is in the course, and this thing about wellness, is that making money is like a paradox. If you focus on making money, you won't make the money. But if you focus on adding value and helping people, the money will come. So that's the paradox. It's almost like you can't really care about the money, and then that's when you start to really make the money. So when you help other people achieve their goals, you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid very, very handsomely for it. But if you focus on just making money, it's not going to work. So that was the part of the vision that I got today from a couple of modules of that particular course. It's a very, very detailed course. I'm paying a lot for it. I'm swinging for the bleachers, and it made such an impression on me to really adjust course. That's why I'm pausing. I need to say that I'm pausing some of the other projects, and I'm actually clearing them off because, um, you know, just if you have too much going on, it's not going to work. You got to really focus on one or two things. So I'm also, I'm also a real estate agent. I'm also going through some training with the real estate. Tomorrow I have what's called floor time. So in my real estate office, anybody that walks into the real estate office, that would be a person that's my find, so to speak. So I don't mind doing that. I'm putting in my time, learn the process, and not focus on the money, focus on learning and growing and being better. So that's where I'm at right now. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions. I can't wait to get some views. It may take a while. I may have to put out a year's worth of content before I get a few views, but I'm prepared to do that. I'm focused more on making these videos and not focus on the result of the videos. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.